Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone flashlight not working after iOS 26 update. If you have updated your iOS to 26 on your iPhone and your flashlight is not working, so let's see how can you fix that issue. So the very first thing is you have to check if your software is up to date, because sometimes your software is not completely updated or you have any pending updates here, so your phone will give some this type error. So you have to tap on this update now option if you have any update here, and once you updated your app or your phone, so it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work, you have to go to general again, then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, and here you have to enter your passcode. Once you have entered, you will get this type pop-up. You have to tap on this reset all settings option. It will reset all of your phone setting. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this step. Once you have reset all your settings, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, you have to go to your browser, and here you have to simply search for support.apple.com. And here you have to select your device. It might be your iPhone or iPad. And once you have selected, scroll down and look for the get support option. Select start now option from here. And here you just have to look for flashlight or tap on this more option, then scroll down and look for flashlight option here. If you can't find it, select search, and here you have to simply search for flashlight. And once you get that, you have to select the get more help option from here, then tap on call us, and here you will get the number, and here's the Apple support team number. Whenever you want to call, you just have to make a call to this number and then get official help from Apple support team, and then your issue will be fixed. In this way, you can easily fix your iPhone flashlight isn't working after iOS 26 update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.